हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यू आर वाचिंग वीआईपी टॉक्स विद विपिन शर्मा। आज हम जिस टॉपिक पर बात करने वाले हैं वो है पोस्ट कोविड एजुकेशन सिस्टम। क्योंकि हम ये नहीं जानते हैं कि हाउ लॉन्ग दिस कोविड सिचुएशन स्ट्रेच, इसीलिए कुछ सवाल उठते हैं, जैसे क्या हम एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स को, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस को लंबे समय के लिए बंद रख सकते हैं? क्या सिर्फ ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन सफिशिएंट है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए? In this video, we are discussing 4 points: education, role and impact of the education in a such pandemic situation. What is the future approach of education in such pandemic situation? And fourth one is online learning, which is very famous nowadays. जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, education is the most powerful tool that changes our life. But education को हमने एक सीमित नज़रिए से देखा है, जिसकी वजह से हमें इसका खामियाजा उठाना पड़ा है। इसको समझाने के लिए मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। व्हाट द एजुकेशन डू फॉर द पीपल? मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल थिंक दैट एजुकेशन इज ओनली फॉर द गेटिंग गुड जॉब। बहुत से लोग भारत में ये समझते हैं कि एजुकेशन सिर्फ अच्छी नौकरी के लिए ज़रूरी है। बट education is not only getting a good job, education also gives you mentally, physically and emotionally fit, and it build a good character also. Now we talk about the role and the impact of education in such pandemic situation. Can you imagine education saves millions of the life? You think how? Education is the big source of vaccine. Education outcomes are doctors. Education let us know what to eat and what not. Even bats are not for eating. Do you think it is a loophole in our education system so that people are throwing stones to the doctor and police who saves their lives? These things tell us that there is a need of improvement in education system. अब हम बात करेंगे ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन पर। Most of the people said कि अब सब ऑनलाइन हो जाएगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट्स एंड स्कूल्स आर शिफ्टिंग टुवर्ड्स ऑनलाइन सिस्टम. नाउ ऑनलाइन सिस्टम हैव देयर ओन एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस. अब हम बात करते हैं ऑनलाइन लर्निंग के एडवांटेजेस की और डिसएडवांटेजेस की. एडवांटेजेस आर इट इज़ गुड फॉर द चिल्ड्रन हु आर हेजिटेटिंग बाय आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. देयर इज अ चैट बॉक्स, यू टाइप योर क्वेश्चन and it is easy to ask. Second thing, in online learning there is a more creativity which is easily understandable. Children easily imagine things by watching pictures and it is good for easy learning. And third advantages are you access online learning by at home. There are several disadvantages also. First disadvantage is many children faces health issues like eye pain, headache. Second disadvantage is if a person having one mobile phone in a family and he having two children and their lectures are simultaneously, how they can access their lectures. Third most important disadvantage is moral values. This is the debatable that how you inculcate the moral values in the children by online learning. We are seeing that many of the students abusing their teachers on the online platform and these videos are viral in the social media website. वैसे तो moral values schools के लिए कोई बड़ा टॉपिक नहीं रहा है, इसीलिए हम दिल्ली में बॉयज़ लॉकर रूम जैसी न्यूज़ को सुनते हैं. अब एक सवाल ये उठता है, वाई वी आर नॉट रिप्लेस द रियल क्लासरूम्स? Inculcating environment, discussions, interactions are the more intellectual exchange which are not possible in online learning. In my opinion, online learning is a game changer in a pandemic situation, but online teaching will not take place of real classrooms. Student teacher interaction is important. अब सवाल ये उठता है, how we run our education institutes so that we cannot affect the coronavirus and run our system effectively and efficiently. अब हमें ज़रूरत है अपने एजुकेशन सिस्टम को चेंज करने की। नाउ वी यूज ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग सिस्टम। ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? इट इज़ द मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन सिस्टम। अब इसे हम किस तरीके से इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे? सपोज एक क्लास में 60 की स्ट्रेंथ है। वी आर डिवाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट्स इन अ ग्रुप्स। Groups are not fixed, they are dynamic. Children are changing from one group to another group in a week or daily basis. In this system, two groups are coming in the schools, in which first group in the first half session and second group in the second half session interaction with the teacher. While simultaneously second group which is coming in school when first group interact with teacher are doing project in labs. By this process, the teacher ratio is 1:15. It is good for social distancing also. Another two groups which are at home, they are engaged with worksheets and online courses, online worksheets, assignments, so that they can complete their assignment. After that, next day they will interact with teachers. Learning is project based learning, and the project is given by the course outcome, which is based on the application part of the course. Secondly, we decrease the time span of KG students. KG students are coming in the schools only for 4 hours. Last point is school should be sanitized at least 3 times in a day. In the morning, before recess and after recess. ये थी कुछ बातें जो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस की। आई होप दिस टॉक इज इंफॉर्मेटिव। फॉर मोर इंफॉर्मेटिव टॉक्स, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe.